Ever wondered what happens inside your body when you become an excellent breakfast machine? From feeling fuller for longer to surprising brain benefits, buckle up because we're about to crack open the truth about daily eggs. Watch this video till the end. Now let's get started. First things first, eggs are a nutritional powerhouse. They're packed with protein, which gives your body the building blocks it needs for energy and muscle repair. Plus, eggs are loaded with vitamin B, those amazing nutrients that help turn your food into fuel. Talk about an energy boost. But that's not all. Eggs are also a fantastic source of choline, a superstar nutrient for your brain. Choline helps with memory, focus, and overall brain function. So next time you're studying for a test or tackling a big project, consider whipping up some scrambled eggs. Your brain will thank you. Speaking of feeling full, eggs are champions when it comes to keeping you satisfied. The protein and healthy fats in eggs work together to keep your stomach happy for longer, which means fewer cravings and potentially even aids weight management. Win-win. And let's not forget strong bones and healthy hair and skin. Eggs contain essential amino acids, the building blocks of protein, which contribute to muscle health. Plus, the B vitamins in eggs can contribute to a healthy glow. Now, before you go full on omelette overload, let's address the elephant in the room: cholesterol. Eggs do contain cholesterol, but it's important to understand the difference between the good kind, HDL, and the bad kind, LDL. Recent research suggests that for healthy individuals, moderate egg consumption, around 1 to 2 eggs a day, likely has minimal impact on LDL levels. However, if you have any concerns about cholesterol, it's always best to consult with your doctor. Another thing to keep in mind is saturated fat. Egg yolks do contain some saturated fat, so moderation is key. Remember, everything in balance. Additionally, some people may have individual sensitivities or allergies to eggs, so be sure to listen to your body. Tips for enjoying eggs. So, how can you make eggs a healthy part of your daily routine? Well, the first tip is portion control. Stick to the recommended daily intake and don't go overboard. Here's another thing to consider: cooking matters. Poached, boiled, or baked eggs have a lower fat content compared to their fried counterparts. So, if you're watching your fat intake, these are great options. Finally, don't forget to pair your eggs with other healthy ingredients. Scramble them with some veggies, whip up an omelette with spinach and cheese, or enjoy them on a bed of whole wheat toast. This ensures a balanced meal and maximizes the nutritional benefits. Alright, everyone, the verdict is in. Eggs can be a fantastic and nutritious breakfast option, packed with protein, vitamins, and brain-boosting choline. Just remember, moderation is key, and listen to your body. For even more personalized advice, be sure to consult with a healthcare professional. But hey, that's not all. If you're looking for more tips on healthy eating, delicious recipes, and fun food facts, then smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, stay happy and healthy.